So looking at some hip flexor work. So you're kneeling up against the roller. Take your right foot out in front and then just wedge the roller between the back thigh and the floor. Take your two hands to either side of your right foot, which is out in front of you, and just allow the back thigh to start sinking further towards the floor. That roller is just giving you a little bit of support, particularly if you're quite tight in your hip flexors. If you can't bring your hands to the floor in front of you, place the hands up onto the front knee, which is your right knee. And then thinking about softening through this back thigh, pushing the front foot into the floor, staying strong through the back of your shoulders, so you're supporting that stretch. And then your focus is to stay here for about 2 minutes, breathing in and out to facilitate that release through the front of the left hip. And when you're ready to come out, just slide the front foot back towards you, and then come up onto all fours or onto a tall kneeling position. And then you're going to push your hands into the front knee and start to C-curve the spine. So it's a posterior tilt in the pelvis, which again opens up the front of your thigh, the rec fem muscle. And then inhale, elongate, bring the crown of the head tall towards the ceiling. Exhale, pulling your hip bone up towards the top of your ribs, really opening up that front aspect of the thigh. And then inhale, releasing out. And you're going to do about 10 of those pelvic tilts. Then take your front foot back. So now you're on all fours, hands are on the floor, feet and toenails are resting down, and you're going to go into a glute kick. So we want to get some activation in the glutes on the left thigh. So it's important that you do it on the leg that you've just released. So if you release the anterior part, now we want to get the posterior active. So we're going to extend through the right leg, pushing the toes into the earth, and then we exhale, squeezing the butt as we lift the heel up, and then tap it down. So we're really looking for the back of the thigh, hamstrings and butt to work as we lift the leg up and down. You're going to do about 10 repetitions of that. Then you bend the knee, sole of the foot is facing the ceiling, push the sole of the foot up, tap the knee off the floor. Exhale, push the sole of the foot up, and tap the knee off the floor. You're going to repeat that exercise for 10. Drop your bum back to your heels, reach your hands out in front. It can be nice to use the roller here. The arms can go out long as the head rests down. 3 to 5 breaths here. Slowly walk the roller in, and then you're ready to repeat the whole sequence on the opposite side. So starting with releasing the front of the hip, then doing your pelvic tilts, and then you're